Hello and welcome to Astro Photography. My name is Daniel. Tonight is the 12th of August, which means it's the maximum of the Perseid meteor shower. I have just set up my camera here at the shore of the lake, just next to my vacation house, and hoping to get some real good footage. I might do a time lapse, take some snapshots. Let's see how the night evolves. And there's a full moon coming up, so it's going to be a really nice evening. So let's hope for the best, and I will set up the camera pointing to a good point in the sky, so I get a good coverage of the night sky. That didn't went too well, I would say. I have a new camera, a Nikon Z6 II. I'm still learning it, and I need to perfect my time-lapse settings. But hey, I at least got some meteors. The 12th of August, the Perseid meteor shower, is for me the start of the astronomy season. Because we live at almost 60 degrees north, it's quite bright. During the couple of months. I usually start in late August or early September to polar align my mount and such. I haven't published some videos for at least a couple of months. I had a lot of work at Volvo. I also painted my house, my garage, my observatory in this bright gray color. Absolutely love it. Took about 2 months or so. So I've been prioritizing the house, the garden and such. My plan is to publish some more videos and hopefully get this up to speed during the autumn here. I have ordering some new stuff for my telescope. It's still on back order. It's a new mirror, I can say that much. And don't know when I'm going to get it, but when I get it, I'm going to make a video how to mount that. This is it for this video, and hope you like my videos and still want to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. My name is Daniel. You have been watching Astro Photography. Bye.